Hello, YouTube. On today's episode of KYR News, we will be covering videos from multiple YouTube channels. The first video is brought to you by Slow County Observer. The second video is brought to you by Auditing the Front Range. And the third and final video is from CH and Ty Audits. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channels and show them some love by subscribing to their channels. The First Amendment is the backbone of our nation. You have the First Amendment right to film any public official in the line of duty. If the public official is in public, your First Amendment right supersedes their right to privacy. Remember, you do not have to answer any of their questions, and that includes giving your name.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not here to demand or anything. You did ask me if I had any questions, and
okay.
I said no, because I mean, all you're doing is videotaping, which is your right to do so, right?
Right.
Do you have like a YouTube? Or are you doing it for social media, or are you? I guess
it's for news purposes.
Okay. I'm not here to try to ruin your day or cause a situation between you and our department or anything. It's just this site, for whatever reason, is a little bit more sensitive than the businesses that you were at yesterday. That's all. Because of
this one?
Both sites here in PG&E, because of what is stored here and what how many cities and citizens are connected to this location. That's all.
Maybe you should preemptively go tell them, like, hey, if you want to do that.
Do what?
Go, like, tell them, hey, there's a guy filming. Don't freak out.
Well, John Carrillo came out. He was head of security for that PG&E site that you were standing in front of earlier.
Yeah.
He's well versed. He used to be a lieutenant here in the Chico PD who worked out of the academy as an instructor. I think he even taught on some of the subject. That's why he turned around and left. But if it's just for news purposes, and do you live in the area?
I can't get into that, man.
Okay.
No
Is
offense,
there any,
but
is there any reason
I don't
why?
like giving up any information.
Okay.
That I don't need to,
Yeah.
Because in all reality, I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm a curious guy. I just like to look around, man, see what's in the area. These looked cool. I was checking out those stairs when you drove by. I was telling the camera it'd be cool to go up to the top of the stairs. So, yeah.
Do you know what they're filling?
Like petroleum, gasoline, something like that.
I don't know either.
Oil, something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, thanks for your time. You have a good day.
Yeah, have a good day, man.
They called and they didn't want you on the property.
Okay, well, unfortunately, here, I'm going to give 6 feet distance here. So, did you guys recently start policing based on people's feelings or the law?
Here's what we're going to do. This is county property.
It is.
The director of this facility said that he don't want you here.
This is county property.
You can continue recording, but you're going to have to do it off the property. They don't want you on the property.
Okay, so
we can trespass you from the property, but I really don't want to go there.
How can you trespass a private person from public property without them committing a crime first?
They don't want you on the property.
This is still public property, man.
Being asked to leave is committing a crime.
So first and foremost, I haven't been asked to leave yet until this conversation with you and I.
Okay.
Secondly, again, public property.
Okay, well,
so
they tell you that you're not allowed on their property. Then you need to leave.
So I see that you're a sergeant. Can you please consult your lieutenant first before you make an incredibly big mistake?
I'll make a deal with you. No. If you want to go stand over there,
no.
I will go call my lieutenant.
I will continue filming.
That's
you
fine.
Consult with your... No, I'll continue filming from where I'm at.
Okay.
On this property. You speak with your lieutenant. Figure out that I'm okay to be here. And then we can end this
okay, so let me ask you
conversation.
This. Speak to the lieutenant.
Yeah.
Lieutenant agrees with their decision. What happens then?
If he agrees with them, then you're both mistaken. Because this is public property. Until I've committed a crime, I cannot be told to leave.
So if you're asked to leave a property...
Public property does not apply.
That's what you're telling me. You can be here even after you've been requested to leave.
If I commit a crime...
Which, by being asked to leave, which is what I'm doing, and you refuse to leave that property, you're allowed to stay here? By law?
Trespass applies to private property. You're correct. It is a crime with regards to private property.
I'll tell you what, I'll make that call to make you happy, and we'll kind of we'll go from there.
Okay, so I'm going to continue walking and doing my thing, and then I mean, I won't be in any forbidden areas. No I've yet to be in anywhere that I haven't been allowed to be in.
Has anyone contacted you yet since you've been here?
One person.
One person?
Yep. No, sorry, 2 people.
I'm sorry?
2 people.
Do you know, was it a regular person or who was, like an employee, or who was it?
One of them was definitely an employee. The other, I don't know. He never identified himself to me. So, like I said, I'm going to continue walking around doing my thing.
You know what? You do your thing, bro.
All right, thanks. You guys getting out of here?
Yeah, we're going to leave.
All
so
right.
We're not going to let you bait us in this time.
What's your name and badge number?
Can I help you first? I see you're looking in people's personal vehicles.
Yeah.
Which is not suspicious at all.
You don't do that ever?
Not when I'm not, fighting crime or anything.
Okay.
Just walking through parking lots? No, we don't do that.
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Officer Clapham 291. Now,
Okay.
Can I ask you why you're searching or looking in people's personal vehicles?
No. Well, you can ask, but I'm not going to answer. So,
Okay, so then
I do have a
respectfully-
question.
No, I'm not going to answer any questions.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay.
I don't have to answer any questions. So.
How's it going, man?
Good. How are you?
Doing
so
good.
I came out and I saw him.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
So I saw him recording inside people's personal vehicles, not marked units, personal vehicles.
Okay.
So to me, that's suspicious. So right now you're detained.
I'm
until we
detained.
can figure out what's going on.
Okay.
Okay. So
All right.
what are you doing?
You might want to get a sergeant before you do all that.
No, I don't have to.
Okay.
So why are you looking at?
I'm
people's personal
requesting a supervisor right now.
vehicles? Tell you what. Why don't you go grab a supervisor while I ask you investigatory questions. Hey, we got a captain right here. Hey,
Yep, that's great.
Hey, Cap.
Awesome.
So, again, why are you looking at people's personal vehicles?
I don't answer questions, man. Am I suspected of committing a crime?
Yes.
You have reasonable articulable suspicion?
Yes.
Okay, so what crime?
Well, I am assuming that you're either A, looking in people's vehicles, personal vehicles, to possibly take shit out of them.
Okay.
So that's a crime. That's called theft.
So you're suspecting me of theft right now?
I have enough reason to believe that you could be, yes.
That I could be what?
About to commit theft. About to commit a crime.
Okay.
So, why are you looking in people's personal vehicles?
Again, man, I don't answer questions.
Okay.
You know?
Well, I'm telling you to answer this question. You're under investigation for something.
All right,
Because
that's
you're being detained.
Okay.
Okay. So, why are you looking at people's personal vehicles?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, you can hang tight then.
Yep.
And we're gonna have a sergeant come out and
That's
go from
fine.
there.
Captain is right there. So
yeah, well, he's not on duty at the moment, so I don't want to take him on his off.
pretty sure he's smart enough to tell you that nothing wrong here.
Okay, you stand right here then. Can you stand by with him?
This is Terre Haute Police Department.
Go ahead and get his name and date of birth. He's detained still, so you can get that info.
No, you're not getting that info.
Just want to let you know.
Are you gonna not tell him that there's no crime being committed here? Or? I mean, he's detaining me without reasonable articulable suspicion.
You are filming inside of personal vehicles
Okay.
on a public lot.
That's right.
Is that not suspicious? Would a normal person be walking around filming?
Is suspicion a crime?
No, but it's
is
enough
being-
to detain people.
Okay.
So, because you're under detainment, you have to provide me your name and date of birth, okay?
Okay,
So,
so
what's your name?
what's going to happen if I don't give you my name?
Then you can be under arrest for
Okay.
failing to provide your
So
information.
if I give it, it's
All I
under
need-
duress.
All I need
You understand?
is your name and date of birth,
Okay.
okay?
Okay, so just again, I'm just making it clear. If I don't give it, you're going to arrest me, right?
For failure to identify, that's a
Okay.
crime, right? That's a crime, right?
Okay. Only if another crime has been committed. See, failure to identify is a secondary charge.
Because you are being detained,
Okay.
you have to provide that information for me.
Why are you looking at people's cars?
I don't answer questions, man, but I will tell you that failure to identify is a secondary charge. So if I'm not being charged with a crime, or if I haven't committed no, it's a secondary. Do you know what that means? It means that if I've committed a crime, I'm required to provide my ID.
For committing a crime.
No, but you have no suspicion that I've committed a crime, do you?
You're about to commit a crime. That's part of the
You're
clause.
saying it.
Hold
I
on,
am
hold
about
on.
to. That's what
Yes,
you're
that's
saying.
part of the clause.
Okay.
If you are committing a crime or about to commit a crime.
Okay.
Okay? Hang tight.
Hopefully they get this figured out real quick. We got the clown squad out today.
You have a beautiful day.
Is that right? No more threats, man?
That wasn't a threat.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video, and please remember and go over and check out all 3 of these auditors' YouTube channels and show them some love by subscribing to their channels. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of KYR News, stay safe out there.